Okay, so we have a tight consolidation here at Friday's initial balance low below. Let's see now if price managed to break out 700 and rally aggressively up, or if it's just going to collapse and then retest yesterday's lows or 600s. Okay, so I bought here against this open price. Let's see if this is going to be able to break it out to the upside and retesting pivot point of the day, then 760s and then 800s. So I reversed the position and shorted here because it held perfect resistance. Let's see how down can this go. Okay, so I reversed to a long position. Let's see now if this is going to be able to break it out to the upside. Okay, so price failed to hold here above tight ranges high. Let's see now how down can this go. If it's going to retest previous low or yesterday's low or even 600s. Okay, so price just made a kind of little head and shoulders here with failure once again at 700. Let's see if he finally managed to break down or if it's just going to consolidate with this way until it finds its way either down or up. Currently I'm short. I'm looking to close the position at 600. Let's see how down can this go. Okay, so I bought here at this flash down move with massive volume spike. Let's see now if price can go up or if it's just going to collapse later. Okay, so let's put this into perspective. Today price fell miserably here at cash open market, European cash open market, above to break above 700s and this kind of high here. Now kind of let's see if this was the bottom for today or if it's going to go any lower. Hasn't retested yesterday's lows yet. Let's see how this will play out. Okay, so price collapsed at the moment, made a series of lower highs here, then fell to hold above 50s, break down to new low, then smashed down to below 600s and held support here initially at the support 1 pivot point. Let's see if it can go up to 600s, retested and then goes further back down to 500s. Okay, so now price rebounded here and retesting 600s. Let's see if this can hold and we have a further move to the downside, or if this is just gonna break up, hold support and then moves even higher. Okay, so price looks like held resistance here initially. Let's see if this can hold and we have a leg lower. Okay, so price tried to rebound a little bit and tried to retest here 600s, finally broke it out. Let's see now how it will behave here at initial balance low of the day if it tries to hold support and then goes even higher. At the moment the big picture today is this series of lower highs, then collapse, now rebound. Let's see if this was good long opportunity for a possible move and a new high of the day, or if it's just going to collapse further below. Okay, so price just failed once more to hold above 620s here in sell balance low, sold off, then rallied back up, now retested it and held resistance. Let's see if now this could be a lead, this could lead the price even lower. Again, the more time price spends between these two lines or below, the higher probability will go further downside. Okay, so another argument is that price made a series of higher lows here with clear support here at 600. I'm currently long against 600. Let's see how price will behave here at the equilibrium line 672s and then eventually up to 700s if it goes there. Okay, so we can see here a kind of gradually higher lows patterns with supports here at 600, then initial failed retest here below initial balance low, now support and breakout. Let's see if this continue to go further upside. And let's bring here the daily chart to see where we are. So we held this kind of very important low here at 600s, let's say, held support here. Let's see now if price can break out even this kind of level at 680s which is its daily open price, and then move even higher. This could be very good swing long opportunity, but again look like a very big downtrend. So let's see which scenario will play out. So price accelerating here with clear support at initial balance low. Let's see how far can this go, how it will behave here at 670s, and how it will behave here at days open price at 690s, and then eventually up to 720s if these levels manage to rally up there and break them out. Okay, so let's see where we are at the moment. We kind of broke down yesterday's lows today, but we gradually made a series of new higher lows and then a breakout. Let's see now if this will be able to break out this kind of initial balance equilibrium line, and this doesn't happen, but instead price holds above here and then rallies even higher for a breakout of 700s and then a retest of 760s. Otherwise this could be a very good short. Okay, so far equilibrium line held perfect resistance here. Let's see if this kind of breakdown will be able to break down even initial balance low of today and then retest and hold, or reject and break even more downside 600s level for a possible retest of today's low. Okay, so price failed to hold above here equilibrium line with a kind of fake out move and then another small fake out but a lower high, then created a kind of consolidation here at 56s, broke it down, held support initially at initial balance low, now sold off. Looks like it held support here at 60s, 600s. Let's see if this is going to be able to retest today's this morning's low initially, or even 600s eventually. Okay, so price just collapsed straight down here. Let's see if this resistance at 600s will hold, and then we have a move even lower for days low retest. So price held perfectly resistance here at 600s, which previous was support. Let's see now if this kind of rebound will be sold again and how it will behave here at days lows, or even if it goes even lower at 500s. Currently short here, would like to scale out before the days lows and then leave the rest for a potential move down to 500s. Okay, so very good retest here with flash down move at support one and previous low of the day. Let's see now if it managed to go further downside, or if this is just going to rally for or until the European session up to 600s. So price here initially flashed down with volume spike here, then retested its previous low, held support perfect at support one pivot point and at previous low. Let's see now how far can this go, if it's going to retest 600s. Currently long here, willing to hold this position for the rest of the day if I see the price action I like in order to make me hold it, or just close it down. So let's see here at US session how this will play out. We can see here a chart of the euro dollar, how this rallied up here to last week's high. Let's see now if this 110 can hold the euro dollar and go and do not trade above but just consolidates below, so that will help the index to the upside as well. Otherwise it's another scenario. Price kind of pulled back here and retested previous low of the day. Let's see now if this initial rally prior to US cash market open will hold a bit up above 600s, and then how it will behave at 620s, 650s and 670s, and if it will go up there or if it will just collapse back down to a new low. If euro dollar topped out at 110, almost there, then that will definitely help the index to the upside. So let's see. Okay, so very good support here, as you can see here, kind of the bigger picture. into perspective for today. Fake down here, retest here, support, immediately rally. Euro dollar seems it topped out at 1099. So let's see if euro dollar will just collapse and retest 109, and then that means that DAX will rally eventually up to 650. So let's see how this will go out. Very good so far, very aggressive rally so far. Let's see if it manages to hold here above 620s and then eventually goes up to 670s. I have my targets like this, and then leave the rest of the trade for, let's say, up to here. This is very optimistic, but 75 points already. So let's see how far can this go. So price kind of held resistance here at 650s, pull back, fake down, initial balance low of the day. Now rallies up. Let's see if he's going to be able to break out and retest 670s and then 700s.
Just looking out for the details now.
So price held all the way up here to 670s. Let's see if it manages to break it out, or if this level proves to be once more a good short opportunity for a kind of the reversal move like this one. Let's see. So lower inventories on crude oil, that means it will spike. Let's see now if we can spike up and break out aggressively this level and initially retest 700s, or otherwise it will just fail miserably, but looks like it will break it out. So let's see. Critical level here, this is a day's open price. Let's see if it manages to break it out and aggressively rallies up to 720s initially. So price failed to break out here at day's open price, very important level. If this now is being retested and rejected once more, then it will likely to go further downside, or it can just go straight down from here. The long scenario is that if this support at equilibrium line, which previously was resistance, will hold, then we'll have a move up initially at these levels, and then we'll see how it will go further upside if it goes. Okay, so price here held the long scenario, which held support here at equilibrium line. Let's see now if it's going to break out 700s. This will be aggressive, and then how it reacts at 720s. So let's see the daily chart here. At the moment we managed to rally all the way back this initial sell-off from today's European session. Let's see now if it managed to break out its open price, or if this will just be a very good short opportunity for a day's low retest. So price failed here with perfect to the tick precision resistance at 700s. This couldn't be a better trade to short, or even this one, the retest of day's open price. Let's see now if it goes down to 600s, 100 points move. So generally just failed once more above this level day's open price and sold off. So let's see where this will go when the European cash market closes in a few minutes.